tattoo here on my leg is a tiger, and that symbolizes my, I'm a fighter, I'm a strong woman. Because I've been through a lot of this. Because this is the big scar. Because I burned myself. I filled myself with hot water together with the oil. Last year, I'm cooking. Filled here and then, oh my gosh, I burned myself. So that's why. It's a big scar, so I covered it with and this one has no meaning, nothing. I just love this flower. And then this is our cat here. This is my YouTube channel name. And this one, I got this tattoo last December. I no, last New Year. This is the koi fish. Is the lucky charm. The koi fish. You know, so that you're lucky and making money, something like that. And this one, nothing meaning. I just love to put it here. And I love also nothing, just no meaning. This minimalist snake. And this one also has no meaning. And the other one on my ear, it's my, it's my Virgo, because I'm Virgo soon. That's the meaning of my birthday. It's Virgo sign. That's it. So yeah, maybe that's all my tattoo. I don't have tattoo yet here on my body, on my back. Oh, I have my back. I have one here. This is the moon and the star and the sun. So yeah, this is a sign of I should always look at the bright side of my life. I don't know. Nothing. I just love that. Don't laugh at me. I have 17 cats. Oh my gosh, you have lots of cats. I love cats also, cats and dogs. Oh my gosh, maybe this phone is low bat. My gosh, I told yourself it's low bat. Hello there in Indonesia, my friend. Thank you for visiting, Tisha.